Hello viewers, welcome to Elim TV, a station where you watch, learn and also interact. Your tutor today is Mr. Wanyoike, an agriculture teacher. In today's lesson, we are in crop production 5, form 2 work, and the subtopic is the nursery bed management practices. On to the lesson objective. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the various nursery management practices. The terms used, one of them we have watering, we have pest, disease control, hardening of, and pricking out. If we go to the first term, which is also a nursery management practice, is watering. You can see that there is a nursery structure here, nursery bed. One on the left hand side, we have a lady who is watering the nursery using a watering can there. Remember, water is very important because it is used by the seed it is absorbed by the seed, thus breaking the seed dormancy so that they can germinate. And also on the second nursery, there is a man there using still a watering can to water the nursery bed, so that the water which is supplied now, it is not for germination but for the seedling which have already germinated to carry out the process of photosynthesis. Then we go to the second management practices, that is pest control. And as far as pest control is concerned, we can use various methods. You can use the scarecrow method. You can also use a chemical method, and you can see that some pests are very destructive. As you can see in this diagram here, the pests have defoliated the leaf or has eaten a larger section of the leaf, and therefore reducing the surface area for photosynthesis, and this will end up resulting to a decline in crop production. And therefore we normally use the chemicals called pesticide to control the pest in the field. Also you can use the scarecrow among others. Then we go to the disease control. There are various diseases which normally attack the crop, the tomatoes in the field, and one of the disease we have the blossom end rot, and that one is brought as a result of irregular watering, and therefore you are supposed to make sure that you water at regular intervals. Maybe you can set yourself in the morning and also in the evening, and therefore if you skip the watering sequence, the tomatoes may suffer from blossom end rot diseases. There are also other diseases which are supposed to be which are normally affect the tomato plant in the field, and that one of the diseases is referred to as leaf chlorosis or yellowing of leaves. It is characterized or symptomized by the signs of yellowing of leaves, and that one you normally apply the foliar fertilizer. You can use a knapsack sprayer to spray the foliar fertilizer so that you can supply the required nitrogen which is required during the process of chlorophyll molecule synthesis. Then the fourth one is referred to as hardening off, and during hardening off you reduce the shade. You can see that in the nursery bed here, this one which I'm illustrating here, there is a shade above, and therefore when it comes to the time of transplanting, 1 week before transplanting, you are supposed to eliminate or remove that shade so that the seedling can become well adapted to the ecological prevailing weather condition. Then the other one is pricking out. Pricking out is also another example. Pricking out refers to uprooting of those vigorous growing and big seedling from the nursery bed in order to pave way to reduce the competition information for the available nutrients, and also so that they can be planted in the main seed bed. And we have come to the end of today's lesson, and you are supposed to be given assignment, and I'm going to give you these two questions. The first question, you're supposed to define the term leaking out, and the second question is you're supposed to explain any three nursery management practices. For reference, you can refer from the KLB Secondary Agriculture Student Book 2, third edition, and the publisher is the Kenya Literature Bureau. For more information, you can reach us at Elim TV using the following contacts. The first one, we have SMS using that number, which is well displayed for you. Number two, you can use YouTube at Elim TV, and also Facebook platform at Elim TV, and also Twitter at Elim TV _KE. Thank you for tuning to Elim TV, and we hope that you will continue to tune to Elim TV for you to be enlightened, because Elim TV normally enlighten many people globally. Thank you.